And we're back. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria for those of you that are new. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Hope you stay a while. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Glad to see you back. Hope you guys are having a fantastic morning. It is 8:34 in the morning. I just got done getting ready for the day. Let me give you guys a quick OOTD. Ignore the background. It's a little messy at the moment, but this is the OOTD. I have this Breakfast Club shirt. If you guys seen that movie, you know it's a lit movie. And then I just have some basic black leggings on, and then I have two bracelets on from Shein. I also have these pearl earrings in from Shein as well. Alright guys, so in today's video I will be filming a pretty much work day in the life. I do have a decent amount of things that I want to get done today. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have an Etsy shop. I make a lot of videos about my Etsy shop. I got a sale on Etsy and we are going to be packing orders today. Today's to-do list is going to consist of me going in the kitchen to make some coffee and eat something because I am pretty hungry. I do want to journal. I have some t-shirts to make. I need to go to the post office to drop off those orders. I've also been recently really wanting to rebrand pretty much all of my social media accounts. I do want to make a new banner for Etsy. And of course, I want to upload a lot of new products on there. I also want to rebrand my YouTube channel. In a future video, I think it's actually going to be 2 videos from now, but I'm actually going to be making a rebrand video. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna title it yet, but it's basically just gonna be about me rebranding and making all of my updated accounts. So yeah, the next thing I have is read, maybe Animal Crossing. I actually recently just put this TV in here so that I could play Animal Crossing in here rather than like in the living room or in my other actual bedroom. So we may play some Animal Crossing, and that is about all we have to do today. So if you guys are looking forward to the video, make sure you stay tuned. And like I said, first thing on the agenda is to get some coffee. Kitchen, made my delicious coffee. I actually, fun fact, got this cup for free from Starbucks. I think this was originally like a $25 cup, and I got a bunch of points saved up, and I bought this cup for free with my points. I actually am obsessed with this cup. But anyways, I also got some apple cinnamon fruit bar things. I'm gonna eat 2 of them for breakfast. I'm gonna get to journaling. I have showed this journal plenty of times in my vlogs or in my videos in general. Here's how it looks. It's a little dirty, got a bunch of pen marks on it, but I'm gonna write in this journal and manifest my life, and then I'll come back to you guys once this is done. Lemonade. Ooh, tastes so sweet. 3 poppies, making 1 for me. Them ocean sounds. Ooh, sip slowly. Grains of glass, riding on. Okay, so writing in my journal is complete. So it looks like the next thing on my to-do list, let's see what time it is. It is 9:06 a.m. And actually my boyfriend does have work at 10 a.m. So I'm trying to think about if I want to start the shirts, if I'll have enough time. I could read for a little bit until he gets done, and then after that I will take him to work and then come back and do the shirts. I think I want to do that just so that I'm not rushed doing the shirts and I take my time to make the shirts and send them out. So I'm going to show you guys what lovely book I'm currently reading. Be right back. The book that I am reading, I say reading, but I actually listen to the audio from what is it called? Audiobook or something? Oh, Audible. So Audible is where I listen to my book. This is the book that I am reading. It is the You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, this is the book. I have read the first one. This is actually the first book. It's just You Are a Badass. And then it says How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. And then this is the one that I'm currently reading. This one was great. Basically a 10 out of 10. Like, this was a good book. I really, really, really like this book. And so far, this one's better, but I haven't gotten very far. So this is all I've read from this book. So we're gonna do a little bit of reading or slash listening to the audio while I wait for my boyfriend to get done. He's in the shower, and then we'll probably take him to work.
Do you love me? Do you not? Do you think about me every time? 'Cause you've been running my mind all day.
Which brings me to the point of this story. Our realities are make-believe. Whatever we make ourselves believe, we experience.
Okay, so I am going to stop around here with my book. It is about 9:30-ish, so I'm gonna just get some shoes on and get ready to take my boyfriend off to his job. It is now 10:40 a.m. I just got back from taking my boyfriend to work. I also had to run some errands. His birthday is tomorrow. He'll be 24. And I actually had to go get like a cake and like just do some last minute errands before tomorrow. I just didn't feel like I needed to vlog that. So yeah, I'm finally back from Walmart and running some errands. So now it looks like the next thing on our to-do list was to make our shirts for Etsy. So I'm gonna show you guys what the shirts look like that I'll be making today. I'll be making this shirt in black, and then I will also be making the same shirt in white. Those are the two shirts that I'll be making today and getting shipped out. So that's pretty much it for now. Cue the montage. Currently watching Jane the Virgin. I know I am so late with this show, but I haven't seen it, so that's what I'm watching right now. It is 11:40 a.m. and we are back with our shirts. These actually turned out really well. This one is a size XL, and then this white one is also in the size XL. Absolutely love how these turned out. Now I am going to lint roll the shirts, pretty much what I do with every shirt before I pack them and ship them out.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give no trust like that. With the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. And I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life, and I should probably run away.
Okay, so I am back with my finished t-shirts. I just love my poly mailers. I do want to invest in some cuter ones, or not cuter, but like different variety. But I like how these have like a little handle to it and it says thank you on it. It's so cute. But anyways, I just finished this, so I do need to take this to the post office, but I am pretty hungry. Let's see what time it is. It's now 12:40 p.m. I was making some phone calls and stuff like that, so time kind of got away from me, but now I'm pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some lunch. Let's go to the kitchen.
Know that it's never happening again.
It is now 1:36 p.m. I finished my food, well, most of it. Fun fact, I never really ever finish my food. I don't know what it is, but I just don't finish it because I always get full. I put most of it away in a bowl to save for later. I think I might head to the post office. The rebrand will come in my later videos. I probably will work on it. I'm just not sure if I'll do it today. So right now we're just going to go ahead and get some shoes on, head to the post office real quick, drop those packages off, and then we're going to come back home, maybe play a little bit of Animal Crossing, and then that'll be the end of this vlog. So let's head to the post office. Okay guys, so I am back from the post office. Oh, let me put you guys on the tripod. I think I'm gonna go ahead and play some Animal Crossing. That was a pretty quick drive. The post office is literally like right up the street from me, so it's not that far at all. So let's get into some Animal Crossing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys play Animal Crossing or not. I need to switch my HDMI cord into the Switch. Usually when I play, I take off the controllers like that. And then I get this little controller that I use to play, and I will slide the controllers on like that.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
Tired. Have any of you ever played Animal Crossing to the point where you just get tired? That's what I just did. I didn't play for that long, but I got pretty tired pretty quick. It is now about 2:30 p.m. and everything on my to-do list is pretty much done. I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the vlog right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to stick around for next week's video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and as always, any questions you may have, feel free to leave them in the comments, or if you just want to chat, I'm always down to just talk in the comments. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in next week's video.